Hey, I got sent another package. Let's see what's inside. It smells delicious. Ooh. So this package is from Surfpaints. They're like an acrylic paint that you can decorate surfboards and skateboards. Acrylic water-based markers. I'm very excited to give these a go. So all the different colours. Need a heap of surf wax. I don't surf, I'm not going to lie, but my partner does. And he bought me a surfboard like a few years ago for Christmas. So maybe this is the summer that I learned to surf with a really extra looking board. Would be the way to go. So let's have a look. These smell so good, like coconut. So these are the paints. Australian brand. You know, I love supporting local Australian brands. Ooh. Let's open it up. I'm excited. I know what design I'm going to do on the board. Let's see how this goes. Oh, they are smooth. So there you go, there's like a little heart. But yeah, watch this space, and I'm going to do a whole board decoration with these. Bye. So what I got the, I think it's the bright set. I'll put these back in here. The bright set and the metallic set. So it's going to be a good time. Bye.